Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about the system of equations. So now I will show you how to answer. A wallet, $5 and $10 bills amounting $45. How many kinds of each will be provided in the given amount? So now I will show you how to answer. Let's say I will put about S is about the number of bills, and that's about $5 in here. And the second one, that's about Y, the number of $10 bills. Now we know that we can create the system of equation that is about 5x plus 10y equal to 45. And we know that we don't have x plus y in here. So in this situation, we just have only one equation. Now, that means we just use only possibility. Now, the next one, I can choose the highest amount, that's about 10y in here. So I will put this one, go to the right, and divide both sides by number 5. So we have s equals to 45 minus 10y over number 5. So 45 divided by 5, so we have number 9. 10 divided by 5, we have number 2. And we know that x and y should be greater than or equals to number 1, because in the wallet they have 2 possible in here. That means we have at least one bill of $5 and at least one bill of $10. That's why we have these conditions in here. Now, because this is about the number of bills, so x and y, they are integers. So in this situation, we need to draw the table in here, and I will choose about y in here. So I will put y equals to number 1. So we put number 1 going here. 9 minus 2, we have 7. We put number 2 going here. So 9 minus 2 with number 2, we have number 5. Number 3, I will put in here. 9 minus 6, we have number 3. Number 4, we put in here. 9 minus 2 with number 4, we have 1. That means, for example, we have y equals to number 1, x equals to number 7. That means we have 7 bills of $5 and 1 bill of $10 in here. Now you can do similar for this one, and this one. And we have the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.